So the question I get a lot is, can you make money with guaranteed lead programs like Active Leads Pro and e-business traffic and those type of deals? And the answer is yes. Now these leads come into your autoresponder sequence through various mechanisms. They get there legitimately, but they never see your thank you page. So you can't expect that you're going to sell the product on your thank you page to them. It just doesn't work that way. You have to get them to engage through your email sequence, and then you can sell to them multiple products. That's exactly what I do. And how I do that is through using a process we call Bulletproof Email Solutions, which is where we teach you how to segment leads into various buckets and promote to them what's in that bucket that they're interested in. And the whole trick for me is the lowest cost lead source I can find. Guaranteed leads is probably one of the best ways of doing that. So I'm going to recommend you take a look at e-business traffic, Active Leads Pro, and also that you consider buying Bulletproof Email Solutions, because it teaches you how to segment, which is the number one single thing that email marketers screw up on constantly. Now, this is not a one product solution. I create 90 days email sequences. People go, well, that's a lot of work. Well, yeah, guess what? I make a lot of money. So consider it. Two things I want to recommend to you: e-business traffic and Bulletproof Email Solutions. Check them out.